I thank the representative of the United States. I now give the floor to Maulana Fazal Rahman, Chairman, Foreign Relations Committee of the National Assembly of Pakistan.
Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim.
In the name of God, the merciful, the compassionate, our thanks be to Allah for His mercy and blessings upon the Prophet and his kin. Mr. President, allow me first of all to thank His Excellency the Secretary General for his comprehensive report entitled Assistance in Mine Clearance. The report indeed provides us with the main elements which will help our efforts aimed at dealing with all the aspects related to mine clearance. Mr. President, it is indeed gratifying to know that there is an increasing awareness within the international community as to the acuteness and the scope of the danger caused by landmines which have been planted irresponsibly and indiscriminately. The Secretary General has explained in his